You don't want to miss out on this lovely one-level home loaded with updates. Features include wood-look luxury vinyl plank flooring in the living room and the eat-in kitchen, new luxury vinyl plank in both bathrooms and the laundry, new upgrade in all 3 bedrooms, each with a walk-in closet, and custom Homecrest cabinets with an integrated pantry in the kitchen. Also included are new high-end appliances including a gas range and solid surface countertops. The open concept allows for easy living and entertaining. The living room has a vaulted ceiling and large windows providing abundant natural light. The primary bedroom is quite spacious and will easily accommodate a king-size bed. The primary bath has recently been remodeled and includes a beautiful glass and tile shower. Both guest bedrooms feature new ceiling fans/lights with remote controls that adjust the light level to your desired brightness. The guest bathroom was also recently remodeled and features a new modern vanity, new lighting, flooring, and new tub/shower with surround. This home has great curb appeal from the street with well-maintained landscaping and a covered front porch, but the backyard is truly the place to be. Extensive decking with an enclosed screen gazebo included provides plenty of room for friends and family to relax in the tree-lined and shaded backyard. The area is fully fenced for privacy and includes a raised garden bed.